Go to Player's Laser Sprite to add our first sound effect. After create clone of myself, broadcast sound effect 1. This will be the player's laser shooting sound effect. When I receive sound effect 1, choose a sound effect called Laser 1. Start sound Laser 1. Go to Alien Sprite for the second one. After change number of aliens by -1, broadcast sound effect 2. This is the sound effect when the alien or plane got hit. When I receive sound effect 2, choose a sound effect called Symbol. Start sound symbol. Go to Plane Sprite. After changing lives by -1, broadcast sound effect 2. Go to Enemy's Laser Sprite for the third one. After point in direction 180, broadcast sound effect 3. Now we are making the enemy's laser sound effect. When I receive sound effect 3, start sound pop. Go to boss P1L4 sprite. After point towards plane, broadcast sound effect 3. For the fourth one, go to wording sprite for the boss alert. After set ghost effect to 0, broadcast sound effect 4. When I receive sound effect 4, choose a sound effect called Alert. Start sound alert. Put 2 more broadcast sound effect 4 when the ghost effect reaches 0. Go to monster boss sprite for the fifth one. If boss HP is less than 1, broadcast sound effect 5. This will be the sound effect when the boss is defeated. When I receive sound effect 5, create a bunch of start sound symbol with the waiting times between are getting less. Finally, go to first sprite, get a when green flag clicked, and a forever loop. Choose Sound Dance Magic. Inside the loop, play Sound Dance Magic until done. Put Stop Other Scripts in Sprite after wait until key spacebar pressed. And the game is complete.